trip, no plan. I'll be by that.
Thinking about what's mine, nothing to deny. Who's that other guy? Are you wasting my time? All these crazy fears that ends with bloody tears. Oh baby, we keep prepping long nights. Rock your body whole life. Don't bother the world side.
Lagi ada di Kawah Putih. Ini mau ke naik pakai kendaraan namanya ontang-anting. Ini aku lagi menuju Kawah Putih. Setelah tadi naik, benar bagus nih.
Mau nggak aku nak nyanyi pun?
Tadi naik namanya ontang-anting, make sense banget kok. Ternyata terontang-anting sepanjang perjalanan. Ini mau kemana? Foto sih. Sebelum turun ke bawah, nih aku mau jalan ke atas dulu. Banget lagi ya. Biasanya ini mau tenuk iso tengah ini. Oh, ini lagi gede.
Nanti tahun depan.
Jadi karena ini musim hujan, harinya penuh banget. Biasanya cuma genangan-genangan gitu kalau musim kemarau. Di sini ada spot selfie-nya. Oke. Ini aku lagi jalan-jalan keliling Kawah Putih. Di sini banyak kayak pohon nggak tahu namanya apa. Airnya putih semua, kandungan belerangnya mungkin. Biasanya kalau musim kemarau ini airnya nggak banyak, jadi cuma genangan-genangan. Tapi
Thinking about what's mine, nothing to deny. Who's that other guy? Are you wasting my time? All these crazy fears that ends with bloody tears. Oh baby, we keep prepping long nights. Rock your body whole life. Don't bother the world side. Twerk it like a Vegas stripper, dollar money stage mine. Billions in a cage fight. Fuck that thoughts and get high. And get high. It's all about the mind. We'll be doing fine. Living on the edge sometimes, alright. Fame is how we ride. Life is all about time. Feeling like the world is beyond us. tired of being sober, never getting older. I got all the time, would you pour some wine for me? Smile for me, and I grind.
My trip, no plan. I'll be by that. Kita mau turun ke parkiran, naik Om Tang Anting lagi.